Okay, I'm going to try to show off my drag soldering technique here with this surface mount chip. It's a TQFP chip. I think it has a 0.6 millimeter spacing between pins. And hopefully the video is clear enough that you can see it. So to start with, I'm going to lay down some flux on the pins here. I'm using a flux pen. It's a no clean flux. Now I take the chip and just kind of plop it down on there. And with my tweezers, I'm going to push it into place until it's lined up just right on the pads. Takes a little bit of practice. Alright, the alignment doesn't have to be perfect. The solder will do its magic anyway, but it should be pretty close. So that looks pretty good. Alright, so now comes the fun part. So I'm going to use a pencil eraser to hold the chip steady. And I'm going to take a soldering iron with a little ball of solder on it. And I'm just going to tack down two corners here so that my chip stays in place. Now I'm going to go back and apply some more flux just to the top and bottom of my chip. Now I come back with the iron, and here's the drag part. Just a little bit of solder. I'm going to drag the tip of my iron across all these pins. And it looks like I should be shorting them all together. Perfect. Nothing shorted. The solder just does its magic. It goes where it needs to go and nowhere else. Perfect. Alright, now I rotate the board 90 degrees. And I do it again with the other two sides. A little more flux. Drag the iron across. That one was good. Last one. Oh, I think I got a bridge on that last pin. Let me see if I can fix it up by just touching it with the iron. Nope. Those two pins are bridged together now, so I'll just take out my solder wick and touch it on there briefly if I can. Alright, I think that did it.